And hello there, Super Robot fans and folks. This is Mix Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mix Wars Unboxings. And right now, what I have here is still something from Shokugan Modeling Project or SMP. We have the Voltus 5 Meet Together Set Special Edition. And yes, this is featuring the original Voltus 5 robot. And yes, previously I did unbox the Voltus 5 Legacy, the one that's made from, GMA News Network here in the Philippines, but this one is the real deal. This is the original, the OP of that Voltus 5 Legacy uh, toy line. And as you can see in the box art, yes, this is the Voltus 5, and we have the B effect here. Off to the side, here it is. Yes, this can be transformed into the Voltus tank mode. We have more, free stuff or the extra effects like the V when I do the V together. Of course, the octopus, Little John's octopus is here. The mechanical eagle is also here, and I think that's off to the one side. The other side, here it is: the Wolf Cruiser, the Wolf Bomber, the Panzer, the frigate, and then the lander. All right, so that's what's this in the box. Oh, yeah. Off to the back actually is they show how to use the effects actually. This is the V together with the special stand parts and of course the different additional what do you call it, effects and parts that we have here. Alright, now let's see and open up what's inside the box. Where it is. Here it is. Since this is the special edition from P Bandai, expect a lot of parts, of course. Yeah, here it is. So I'll just get all the parts out first. Put it aside. All right. Just put this off to one side here. And yeah, here it is. The V together stand, the special effects, and most likely just the same as in the Legacy. Yes, there are some pre-painted parts here. The test also has some stickers, much less than the Legacy one. Of course, the instruction manual is also inside the bag. And here it is, the different parts. Right. Oh, the sword is still here. The electromagnetic top whip is here. The mechanical eagle is here as well. Yep. Uh, yep. So here are some other parts actually. This has more parts actually rather than the legacy one. And I might not take it off the plastic though. Alright. Yep. Okay, so let's try to take a look individually at each of the screws through the plastic. Yep, here it is. All red, the G, the I, with some red screw over there on the side. This one I don't know what this is, or rather, yeah. So some pre-painted parts are here. So too much, many parts. That's why I'm keeping them inside the bags, like what I did with the legacy one. Sorry about that. I do notice that there are many parts here that are repainted though. Uh-huh. Here it is. And of course, what we saw earlier, the effect parts is here. Gonna be together. And yes, the some other pre-painted parts. Yeah. So I apologize. I won't be opening them one screw at a time since there are so many parts. Actually, so many loose parts, to be honest. Anyways, that is what's inside the box here. Super Web fans and folks of the SMP Shogun Modeling Project Walters V with the V Together set special edition from P Bandai. And this is Mr. saying, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and leave a like, you and the video, sharing, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.